Do you use Fathom Analytics and WPForms on your WordPress website? Well, I'm glad you're here because I'm going to show you how to make those analytics really sing out and allow you to track your conversions in Fathom Analytics much easier than having to add little bits of strange code all over the place. This is a completely no-code solution, one plugin that does it for you. So let me show you how it works. You're going to need three things to make this work. The first one is the official Fathom Analytics plugin. The second one is the Fathom Analytics Conversions plugin. And then, of course, you're going to need WPForms. And this does support WPForms Lite and also the Pro version of WPForms. So either will do. Once you have those things connected, and you can watch our other video about how to set up Fathom Analytics. I'll put a link to that in the description below. You simply come onto the plugin settings and it will tell you if it recognizes your WPForms plugin. Tick the box and click Save. Now, if you have existing forms, it will go through and create all of those events settings for you inside of Fathom. You do not need to do that manually. And once you've got all of that in line, you're ready to create a new form and get that set up. So let's just use a simple contact form. And we're going to just name it WPForms so we can see it when it comes through the analytics. This name is really important. Okay, if you just call everything contact form, you won't know exactly which form it is that came through and where it went. I'm just going to drop a couple of these off because I don't want to type as much for this demonstration. There we go. So now I've got an email and I'm going to click on Save. If you ever need to, you can go digging around in here. Under Settings, you'll see Fathom Analytics and you'll see an event ID in there. Now this one is maintained by the plugin directly into Fathom Analytics, so there's no need to change this. But if you do notice that it's not there, then it means you do have a problem and you won't see those conversions come through. All right, so now we've got our form. Let's go and embed that on a page. So let's create a new page. We'll call this WPForms contact, there it is, and then we'll just hit /WP to bring up the WPForms block, and there's our simple contact form that we've just created. So I'm going to publish that. We'll go and view it on the page, and so bear in mind that's going to create a page view for us, and then I'm going to submit that form as well. Now that has not only created a page view for this page, but we've now got an event or a conversion that shows up in Fathom Analytics. So let's come across here and refresh that page. And we're going to see some page views. So where's our WPForms contact? There it is. So that's the page that we created. And as we scroll down to events, we should now see, okay, it's not quite come through yet. And bear in mind that the events show up that are the highest ones. So you might need to use this little arrow down the bottom, just go to the next page, and there's our WPForms simple contact conversion. There it is, unique completions is 1. So very straightforward. And when you rename the form, this conversion will change as well. So that means when you update the form name, everything will still follow through, which means that your form name is very important. So go download the plugin today. Let us know how you get on. Thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe below because when we release new features, we'll release a new video.